Hello everybody, today I'll show you how my espresso maker is trying to make me drink coffee non-stop. This machine was gifted to me and it is a Select Line espresso maker. It doesn't make great coffee, but it's good enough and you don't look a gift horse in the mouth. As you saw in the intro, the problem I have is that the switch is not turning the machine on or off. Otherwise it works fine and I simply disconnect it from the plug to turn it off. I hope the switch is the problem, so I want to test it. And to do it, I'm going to open the appliance. Most of the screws are Phillips, but two of them are tri-wing security screws, so you'll need a special bit for them. After removing the bottom, I've realized that cleaning the switch will solve the issue. I've put it back and I've sprayed some contact cleaner into the switch. Clicked it a few times to soak it, but it gave no results. My next move was to test the switch, so I've quickly cleaned the inside and removed the top half, marked the position of the cables and extract the switch itself. I've took my tester, put in continuity, and, with both surprise and disappointment, it tested good. The circuit closed when I pressed it. I was disappointed because if the switch is working, it could be something more complex that I'm not sure I'll be able to fix. Following the switch's cable, I traced it to this board, so I removed it to take a closer look. At this point, my hope was high again, because the cable from the switch connects to these two traces that are detaching from the board. After adding a bit of fresh solder, I've scratched the traces to see if I had any continuity. it looked like I had, despite the terrible condition of the traces. I've connected the scratches to the pads anyway, with some solder. After a bit more continuity testing and fiddling around with the board, I wasn't able to find anything wrong. So, my guess is that this small IC is the cause of the problem, and I won't be able to fix it. So, I've put everything back in place, and I'll use it like I did after it broke. Unfortunately, we weren't able to fix it today, but I'll ask for your help. If you notice something or you have more experience than me and know what's wrong, write a comment down below and we'll try to fix it in the future. Other than that, I invite you to subscribe and leave a like, it really helps me. This is the end of the video and I'll see you next week. But, in the meantime, remember to keep things alive.